Today on the Workbench, we're unboxing and assembling the FIMCO 25-gallon dual-boom ATV sprayer. One of the first things you'll notice, like with many FIMCO products, is that this unit comes largely assembled right out of the box. Inside the packaging, you'll find the owner's manual, the tank lid and lanyard, a parts bag containing the lead wire, wand brackets, and other hardware, the quick-release bracket kit, the powder-coated 7-nozzle boom kit, and the tank, 12-volt pump, hose, and spray wand all pre-assembled. After unboxing, if you notice any missing parts or run into an issue with your sprayer, please contact FIMCO Customer Support right away at 800-831-0027. To begin assembly, turn the tank upside down on a stable, flat surface and locate the 4 outer pre-drilled threaded holes. These are where the quick-release boom brackets will mount. With the release levers pointing toward the front and top of the tank, align the bracket slots with the holes and secure each bracket using the 4 provided 3/4-inch Phillips head screws. These screws come pre-applied with a yellow thread locking compound. Once the brackets are installed, carefully turn the tank assembly back upright and secure the dual boom mounting brackets using the cam handles. To begin assembly of the dual boom, start by unfolding the broadcast arm assembly. Slide the carriage bolt through the slot, insert the nozzle tip arm into the opening on the mounting bracket, and secure it to the quick release brackets using the 4 provided hex bolts and nuts. Now secure the broadcast nozzles in their respective channels using the 2 provided poly clips. Next, attach the folding powder-coated steel boom to the quick-release brackets below the broadcast arm assembly using the 2 provided U-bolts and 4 hex nuts. The boom can be adjusted to different heights on the mounting brackets. For best performance, we recommend setting the boom height 16 to 20 inches above the area being sprayed. Tighten securely with a socket or wrench. With the boom installed, we can now attach the nozzle harness. Be sure to position the nozzle harness so the 1/2-inch connecting hose is on the right side of the sprayer tank, allowing it to connect to the 3-way valve manifold after installation. Using the nozzle clamps, attach the harness to the boom. A helpful tip is to start by placing the clamp on the top side of the boom, sliding the nozzle into place, then installing the lower clamp into the mounting channel and securing it with the provided screws and nuts. Repeat this process for the remaining nozzles until they are all attached to the boom. Now, using a hose clamp, connect the nozzle harness to the 3-way valve manifold. Next, locate the 48-inch hose and 2 hose clamps from the parts bag. Attach one end of the hose to the intake hose barb on the 3-way valve manifold, route the hose over the tank, and connect the other end to the open middle port on the pump manifold. Install the wand mounting clips on the front of the tank using the 2 provided Phillips head screws and the pre-threaded holes. Carefully cut the zip tie holding the spray wand hose, wrap the hose neatly around the tank, and snap the spray wand into the storage clips. Now install the tank lid by threading it onto the tank and securing the lid's lanyard to the hole next to the tank opening. Install the pressure gauge by threading it securely into the open port on the pump manifold. Finally, connect the 12-volt power wire to the pump. And just like that, your FIMCO 25-gallon dual boom ATV sprayer is ready for use. Thanks for stopping by the FIMCO Workbench, and as always, happy spraying.